Hello, my name is Willi, and I'm going to tell you about my future life. Everyone wants to have a good future. For me, I do not have an exact future what I want. But if someone asks what I want or my goal, I want to be a rich person. For now, I'm going to pass the second semester with good grades. And then I will start my college journey until the final semester. To achieve my goal, I will learn a lot of lessons in English because my English is not good as my friends. I want to be a translator and get some money for fulfilling my life. When I have a lot of money, I will use my money to make my own shop so I can hire many people and it will help them in the economy. Then the last thing I want to do is I want to buy many things like console, merchandise from popular game or film. In order to buy all of them, I will go to many countries. That's all for me. Thank you.